Alright guys, welcome back to day number 2 of what's in my tool tote. So, yesterday we went over what's in my rolling tool bag. Today I'm going to show you guys what is in my tool tote. I switched out a few things left and new things came in, so this is where we're at. So, starting out we got a nice plug tester here, Amprobe. I don't know if that's a good brand, or I mean, not a good brand. It is a good brand, I don't know of any other tools that they make, but this thing has worked great since I got this from the hospital 2 years ago. Thank you, Steven. And then file, couple rolls of tape, white and black. And then my old trusty hammer. All the blue paint is gone from all the nails and things that I've hit over the years. I love that hammer. Sentimental value. Smaller file. My first, not my first 11-in-1 because one of them like froze, so I had to switch it out, but that's my only 11-in-1 non-magnetic safety knife. And then my second, wait, I just found it. I'm so happy right now. I thought I lost this. I thought I gave it away. So this is my second 6 or 7-in-1 1/4 inch up to 1/2 inch. That's exciting. I got my red, white, blue strippers with the flag on it, American Legacy Klein strippers. My Fujiya 9-inch diagonal cutters, angled head. These have been great. I've been using these since I got them, since they gave them to me, and I've been put them through the ringer, and no real complaints except for when you're cutting metal flex, then you have to do a couple of cuts on that, but I think that might be a given, I'm not sure. But other than that, completely amazing. Mega Pro, tamper proof. Old screwdriver to beat with for putting holes through sheetrock. Just an old number 2 Phillips. Jonard tools. Linemen's with the crimper and a fish tape puller, I believe, on the back side. Glow-in-the-dark Klein needle nose. And then a precision insulated Klein Tools multi-tweaker screwdriver. So this is really nice. And then a mechanical punch owl. Can't do that by hand. And then the 7-in-1 for the bigger size from 3/8 up to 3/4. So this is good for your 1/2 inch strut and all that good stuff, 1/2 inch hardware. Jonard tools, just your number 2 Phillips, and this one is, I don't know the specific size on this, but it's 100. So that's either a 1/4 inch or like 3/16. Then I have another insulated screwdriver. This one is the 1/4 inch, and then the number 2 Phillips. If you ever have to work in something that's live, or you just want some more safety, in case you open a box and you don't know if it's live or not. So just to be safe. And then on the outside, let's just go around. Wet erase and a bit extension with an extra bit right there. And then we have my 2 favorite comfort grip, Cobra Knipex 10-inch. And then my new level, I'm finally gonna say goodbye to my brand new level that I've had on the wall for, I don't know, at least 6 or 7 years. It's so good, it's my favorite. My old one broke, and I had my Racketeers one in here, but it was a little sharp on the edges. This one is like perfectly flush and soft everywhere, no sharp edges. So I switched that out for the daily, and it's just a beautiful piece of billet aluminum from Greenlee. And then over here I got my Irwin jab saw with a little sheath. My friend made me for my birthday. Appreciate that, Terry. And then I got the Irwin Speed Square. I like to call it a triangle, but people got really offended when I said that, so Speed Square, whatever you want to call it. I got the digital angle finder gauge right here. And then another bit back here, and my adjustable wrench. I forget the specific name for this, but Steven got this for me for my birthday, so I think that's 7 1/4 inches. And the comfort grip from Knipex. Love that. Don't use it often, but when you need it, it's really handy to have it. Let me flip this around so you guys can actually see what's going on. And then in the back, I got my Racketeers tape measure with the coloring for the panel wire coloring. I got the billet pipe reamer for basically anything 1/4 inch and up. Another 3/16, 7 or 8 inch screwdriver, the 6016. I got my Klein Tools laser tape measure, which is very nice when you need it. If you have to go like 100 foot or more. Got another Fluke hot pen tester. And then down to the final two right here, we got the 5-in-1 Klein Tools Allen set. Laser pointer voltage tester. Basically, I just use this for the laser pointer. My brand new American flag. Hopefully you can see that. I don't know where we're at here, if it's gonna focus or not, but the American flag, red and blue, from Lowe's. What are we thinking here? The American Forge set. And then 1 inch Milwaukee pipe cutter for tight spaces. I have the Racketeers, I think it's Racketeers? No, stud ball with the stud ball, magnetic stud ball finder right there. Jonard Tools insulated diagonal cutters. My ratcheting multi-stubby from Klein Tools. And then lastly, we have the Klein Tools mini ratchet here for tight spaces. So if you need to, you put this screwdriver bit into there, then you can basically unscrew anything if you have a very small space. So those are all the tools in here. That's gonna be it. Keep it nice, short, and sweet. So thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys in the next one. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to drop a like and subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next one. Thank you guys so much for watching. Love you guys. Peace.